Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to block USB data while your phone is locked on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to block USB data access while your phone is being locked, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down your notification bar and tap on settings. So now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find security and privacy. Now scroll down again and find more security settings. Tap on this. And now on this page, you're looking for block USB connection while locked. So make sure this is turned on. So to protect your data, prevent USB devices from connecting when your phone has been locked for more than an hour. This will basically block any USB connections while it is locked. So it basically adds a security layer by preventing USB data transfers when the phone is locked. So it's useful against data theft during charging in public or unauthorized PC connections, such as a cafe or maybe in a coffee shop. So there you go, guys. That is how to block USB data connection while your phone is locked on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.